Hello everyone! Today I'll show you how to change the lighting quality settings in Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced. Let's begin by opening the main menu. Do so by pressing the escape key or the menu key on the controller. In the main menu, select Options. In Options, make sure you are in the Video tab and then navigate to Scalability. Here, scroll down and look for Lighting section. In this section, you can change the screen space effects quality, light source quality and shadows quality. There are two ways to change the level of quality. You can open the drop-down menu and choose a quality level. For screen space effects we have ultra low, very low, low, medium, high. For light source quality we have low, medium, high, very high, ultra high. And for shadows quality we have ultra low, very low, low, medium, high, very high and ultra high. You can also preview the changes by observing the preview screen right here and simply scrolling through different quality levels. Let's say I want the highest possible ones, right? After you make your choices, of course, they don't have to be the same as me. Hit apply to save the changes. Once that's done, you can simply back out of this menu, and that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to like, comment and subscribe.